Hello, everyone, and welcome to Think Bright Podcast, your home for easy English stories, listening practice, and simple English conversations. Today's story is called A Surprise Gift. Listen slowly, understand each sentence, and enjoy learning English in a natural way. Now, let's begin. It is a bright and peaceful morning. A young girl named Emma wakes up in her small, cozy bedroom. The soft sunlight touches her face, and she slowly opens her eyes. Emma sits up, stretches her arms, and smiles. To her, it feels like a normal day. She doesn't know that something special is waiting for her. She walks to the window. Outside, children are going to school, birds are singing on the trees, and the sky is clear and blue. Emma takes a deep breath. She feels happy. She goes to the kitchen. Her mother's making breakfast, and the smell of pancakes fills the room. "Good morning, Mom," Emma says with a cheerful voice. "Good morning, sweetheart," her mother replies. "Sit down and eat. Your pancakes are ready." Emma starts eating her pancakes. They are warm, soft, and sweet. But while she eats, she notices something strange. Her mother is smiling, more than usual. "Mom," Emma asks, "why are you smiling like that today?" Her mother laughs softly. "Nothing," she says. "I'm just happy." But Emma knows her mother well. Something is different today. Her mother looks excited, almost too excited. Emma finishes her breakfast and gets ready for school. She puts on her blue backpack, combs her hair, and wears her favorite shoes. Before she leaves, her mother hugs her tightly. "Have a wonderful day at school," she says warmly. Emma looks at her mother and asks, "Mom, is something going on?" Her mother shakes her head. "No, everything is perfect. Go on now." Emma walks to school, still thinking about her mother's big, bright smile. At school, Emma meets her best friend, Lily. Lily looks very excited. Emma, I have something to tell you," she says. Emma laughs. "Don't tell me. You are excited too?" Lily nods quickly. "Yes. Something wonderful happened today." Emma becomes even more confused. "Everyone is acting strange today," she says. But Lily giggles and says, "I'll tell you later." Emma tries to focus in class, but her mind keeps thinking about her mother, her smile, and Lily's excitement. What is going on? After school, Emma walks home slowly. She feels curious, nervous, and excited all at once, and she reaches her house. She sees her mother standing outside the door, waiting for her. "Welcome home, Emma," her mother says happily. "Ma, please tell me what's happening." Her mother takes her hand gently and says, "Come inside. I have something for you." Emma feels her heart beat faster. "Close your eyes," her mother says. Emma closes her eyes. She hears soft footsteps. She feels her mother guiding her into the living room. "Okay," her mother whispers. "Open your eyes." Emma opens her eyes and gasps. On the table in front of her is a small pink box with a shiny ribbon wrapped around it. "For me?" Emma asks softly. "Yes," her mother said. "This is your surprise." Emma picks up the box carefully. Her hands tremble a little. "Open it," her mother says with a warm smile. Emma unties the ribbon. She slowly opens the lid. Inside is a tiny white puppy. The puppy looks up at Emma with big, gentle eyes. It makes a soft little sound. Emma's eyes fill with tears of joy. Puppy. For me? Really?" Her mother nods, smiling. "Yes, Emma, he is yours." Emma gently lifts the puppy into her arms. It feels soft, warm, and full of love. Her mother says, "You work so hard in school. We help me at home, and you always spread kindness. You deserve something special." Emma hugs the puppy tightly and whispers, "Thank you, Mom. This is the best surprise ever." She names the puppy Snowy because his fur is white, like fresh snow. Snowy quickly becomes a part of Emma's life. Every morning, he waits near her bed, wagging his tail. Every afternoon, he runs to the door when she comes home. He brings joy, love, and laughter into their home. Emma learns to take care of him. She feeds him, gives him water, plays with him, and takes him for little walks in the garden. Her days become happier. Her home feels warmer, and her heart feels brighter, all because of one beautiful, magical surprise gift. Thank you for listening to the story on Think Bright Podcast, your place for simple English, clear pronunciation, and easy listening practice. If you enjoyed this story, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more slow and easy English stories. See you in the next episode.